woke up, I told Alexa to turn the lights back to this color and turn my fan off. Yeah, I did that. And I did an amazing trick shot. Last night while I was watching Stranger Things, I'm gonna say technical. I watched the last episode. It was really good. I'm gonna show you what I did. So, I'm just sitting here watching Stranger Things. It's not right now, but I took my shirt off. I yeeted it up in that hamper hoop. I think that's pretty good. I missed, fell down. It's that red shirt on the door. How did I do that? I don't even know. Let's go retrieve that shirt. Actually put it up there. Let's go get a new shirt. I'm wearing a really bad tie-dye shirt. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. Is that cool trick shot I made. I will do like another daily vlog, just because that wasn't really a good vlog. I hate my thumb. Well, yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, turn those notifications on, and comment in the comments. Oh yeah. I don't know why, but from a long time ago, I still have fidget spinners. Nice bookmark. So I'm doing my fidget spinners, even though they're not a good thing anymore. They're real. I just got this one. And my potato nuts. This yellow one. And you can really see it. I like this one because if you spin it fast enough, you can really see it spin around. It's about to slow down. Isn't that cool, guys? This one I lost both of the things on it. It's supposed to be glow in the dark. Yeah, I also lost this. So yeah, so it doesn't really work that good anymore. Kind of works, but not really. Okay, so now, let's do this one. This one, I kind of like this one, just in the style. See, I like that one. This is one of the coolest ones. It's a cheetah. Just load it. Like watching it go really fast, let's go down. I have 3 of these. I have a red one, and I got a blue one. What's out with the blue one? They don't normally work well. Also, something funny. Hold on. You can pop these guys out. Or wax. So you can take this stuff up, melt it down, and make something out of wax. I've never done it, but I know it's wax, so. And pretty easy to get back in. Things like, so they're all blue, then you spin it, it's like all white, because the circles are going so fast. And you can a little bit see the red on the outside.